The final reflection offered by the U.S. Conference of Catholic Bishops on the Eucharist is entitled, "The Eucharist Propels Us Forth to Transform the World." The Eucharist increases rather than lessens our sense of responsibility for the world today. Christ in the Eucharist calls us to build a more human world, a world fully in harmony with God's plan, filled with awe for all we have received in Christ's self-gift. We respond with service and works of charity. We act to transform unjust structures, policies, and laws that degrade human life and dignity. This reflection lays out in very clear language our task, our fundamental challenge as Christians. It is no less than this: to transform the world, to change the world. And we're called to change the world by helping to make it more human. And we do that by enhancing human dignity, by promoting equality among all people. We do it by not giving in to the impulse to violence. We do it by building unity. These are gospel values. These are the values which Jesus taught. These are the values which Jesus lived out. These are the values that he calls us to embody. This is our call. Our call is to transform the world, to bring it more into the image of Christ.